Literally a tourist.
Isn't this only nice for landscapes like nature?
Yep. Okay.
It's always one of my favorite places to bring people to. So yeah, like drinks and help. Oh yeah.
Nice. Misses me. Miss someone.
Look at the butter, we don't have any extra. What happened?
It's always like
No, it's a power saver move.
So I can't see myself.
If you want, you can tap, but
Like that.
on the other side. There you go. Coffee's not bad, but
that's really a place that's
the milk tastes like oat milk.
yeah, well, at least not pure milk. Yeah.
It would be nicer if it's hotter.
This? Okay, let's see.
Have you tried this before?
Nope.
Oh, you like it?
Melon bun.
It's not melon bun lah.
Is it?
It's bolo bun. Bolo bun.
Looks like melon bun.
This is originated from Hong Kong. In China, it's called bolo. Bolo bao. You'll love it. In Hong Kong, it's so nice.
I like the crispiness of the bun on top. Just eat the top part.
It's meant to be like that.
The butter is nice. Eating a burger.
Usually they cut open now. An opening here and put butter in the middle.
Oh,
Yeah, it's supposed to be like, authentic way lah.
this way works.
No, but you make the here soft.
Smoky.
Yes, if you want. It's water.
Alright.
Yeah, like everything there is nice. Of course, prices are not more expensive than London. Yeah.
Pretty nice bun. For me, it's more like a dessert. It's very sweet and savory. Yeah, I'm still going through the buns. Halfway through. The whole of level 3 is ours for photo taking purposes. we've been using this for the past 20 minutes just to take photos. No one actually come up. Let's go. Dinner time. Closed. I want some pepper chicken. Thanks. Wow. We'll get burnt, right? There you like it. Very cheesy. Very noisy here with the birds. Rich guy run with Yeezy. Oh, oh, let's go.
Yeah, bro.
Different. Wow, let's go. That's a new MRT, which I didn't know about. Woo. It's getting faster. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Quá gì vậy?
Yeah, we did that.
Ai mà camera dây vậy?
Đây chị.
Next week I'll be doing that.
Đây mà.
No, as in football.
Oh, this week à?
Yeah, this week. Sorry.
Triple.
Triple? Like, good or not?
Không.
Rewarding ourselves after a 7 km run. Yeah, let's go. This one 10 click, bro. Right, that is it for the vlog, guys. I just want to came on here to thank the upper house for all the food and drinks that they have provided for our dinner. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Yeah, basically I didn't talk too much in this vlog because a lot of my friends just texted me, don't talk a lot in the vlog, just put up clips. So yeah, I was just trying out. It was a fun day off for me. Definitely enjoyed the run. I think it was around 7 km within, I don't know, 40 minutes. So yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Anyway, that is it for the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.